We recently started our own business and we have used IronmongeryDirect many, many times in previous lives. And when I had an order come through that I needed to place for some materials, IronmongeryDirect was one of my first places to think of. And I went on, signed up to enable my accounts manager to manage the invoice process and the collection of information from one place. When I signed up, the option came up to sign up for TradeXtra, and it was a no-brainer for me. When I was looking to sign up for TradeXtra, I noticed that there was a credit facility available, which is massive help for a business that's new. The points that was also on offer for buying things was also a great bonus because everybody likes free points and free ice. We've had a quick look through the website for the prizes on offer. The opportunities for holidays is massive. I think we'll be doing at least one, maybe 2 holidays. The kids have got ideas of what they'd like to spend and what they'd like to do. I've got my eye on a few Lego sets and my wife's got an eye on a hairdryer. But apart from that, we've just want to spoil ourselves and get things that we want and not things that we need. So I didn't believe it, and I still don't believe it. And I am absolutely shocked. We never win anything, and I still don't believe it. It's amazing.
When next time I've got 10 PlayStations in through.
Yes, that'll be it. But it's unbelievable. You will continue to get my service and my business, absolutely. And I will be happy to recommend and promote you, not only for the products that you do, but the extra points that you get on that side of things. Yes, absolutely. IronmongeryDirect is above the other suppliers that I use for similar items. I've always found their customer service, their delivery options, and their range of goods very good. Every transaction and every involvement I've had with IronmongeryDirect has been amazing. I've had no complaints, no issues. I've used you guys for 10 years plus and never had problems with you. So it was an obvious choice for me to come to once I'd set up my own business and was running that side of things. Your products, your price, your deliveries, your returns, your customer service, the individuals you speak to on the phone and over the emails have always been top drawer. If you want a lock, you're the place to get a lock. I would recommend IronmongeryDirect and TradeXtra to any of my friends and colleagues that we use it for. The service, price, delivery has been just amazing, and I think if you have something that works, it's good to share that love of work, that it works and that the process works. So absolutely. There's options, there's selections, there's choices, there's everything. It's really, really...
I don't think you could add anything else. I don't know. Because I said something about a hair thing, didn't I? And I was like, oh no, it's already there.
Normally on these rewards things, they're very limited to certain brands or certain items, but there isn't with this.
There's like luxury, there's cheaper bits, there's, and if you didn't have so many points, you could definitely get something quite quickly, couldn't you?
Yes.
You ready?
Go!
That actually says
150,096 points. Wow.
Really it? Wow. Can you see that?
What does that mean?
Because you get to go on holiday. Look, now when you click what can you afford, it gives you a good one. That's so cool.
So do we actually believe it?
I actually believe it. Do you believe it?
Do we believe now? Yes.
That's amazing. I feel like I need to say thank you, but well done. Well done for signing up.
You're welcome.
It's so not David either. This is so funny. Should we get in?